Present tense. She plays tennis every week. She plays tennis every week. Past tense. She played tennis last week. She played tennis last week. So play के साथ हमने s लगाया क्योंकि ये प्रेजेंट है, ठीक है, और सिंगुलर है. और पास्ट का हमने प्लेड कर दिया, ed लगा दिया, प्ले प्लेड. प्रेजेंट. I go to work every day. I go to work every day. Past. I went work yesterday. I went work yesterday. So go is first form and went is second form. Okay. Present. I get emails every day. I get emails every day. Past. I got emails yesterday. I got emails yesterday. Get. Present. I ask for help every day. I ask for help every day. Past. I asked for help yesterday. So ask is first form and past form is asked. Present. I bring a bag every day. I bring a bag every day. Past tense. I bought a bag yesterday. I bought a bag yesterday. So bring का bought हो गया. Present. She takes a taxi every week. She takes a taxi every week. Past tense. She took a taxi last week. She took a taxi last week. So take is first form and took is third form. Present tense. I dance here every day. I dance here every day. Past tense. I danced here yesterday. I danced here yesterday. Okay. Now next is I'm going to tell you present. I hear music every day. I hear music every day. Past. I heard music yesterday. I heard music yesterday. So here is first form or second or third heard. Present. I forget names every day. I forget names every day. Past. I forgot names yesterday. I forgot name yesterday. Forget is first form, forgot third form and second form. Present. I think about it every day. I think about it every day. I thought about it yesterday. I thought about it yesterday. Present. I travel every day. I travel every day. Past. I traveled yesterday. I traveled yesterday. So travel, traveled. Okay. Present tense. I buy milk every day. I buy milk every day. Past. I bought milk yesterday. I bought milk yesterday. So buy, bought. Okay. Present tense. I sing songs every day. I sing songs every day. Past. I sang songs yesterday. I sang songs yesterday. So sing, sang. Okay. Present. She runs fast every week. She runs fast every week. Past. She ran fast last week. She ran fast last week. So runs, ran. Okay. Present. She helps her friend every week. She helps her friend every week. Past. She helped her friend last week. She helped her friend last week. So she is singular, that's why we use s. Present. She cooks soup every week. She cooks soup every week. Past. She cooked soup last week. She cooked soup last week. Now, next is present. She washes clothes every week. She washes clothes every week. Past. She washed clothes last week. She washed clothes last week. So, wash, washed. Present tense. I build a table every day. I build a table every day. Past. I built a table yesterday. I built a table yesterday. Next is present tense. I close the window every day. I close the window every day. Past. I closed the window yesterday. I closed the window yesterday. Close, closed. Present. She sells vegetables every week. She sells vegetables every week. She sold vegetables last week. She sold vegetables last week. Present tense. I work here every day. I work here every day. Past tense. I worked here yesterday. I worked here yesterday. So work, worked. Ed we use in past tense. Present. I cook dinner every day. I cook dinner every day. Past tense. I cooked dinner yesterday. I cooked dinner yesterday. So cook, cooked. Present. I take a bus every day. I take a bus every day. Past. I took a bus yesterday. I took a bus yesterday. So take, took. Present. I call my friend every day. I call my friend every day. Past. I called my friend yesterday. I called my friend yesterday. Present. I learn new words every day. I learn new words every day. Past tense. I learned new words yesterday. I learned new words yesterday. So learned, learned. Present. I play soccer every day. I play soccer every day. Past tense. I played soccer yesterday. I played soccer yesterday. So play, played. Present tense. She eats fruit every week. She eats fruit every week. Past. She ate fruit last week. She ate fruit last week. Present. She goes to school every week. She goes to school every week. Past. She went to school last week. She went to school last week. Okay, so goes का हो जाएगा went. Present. I write a letter every day. I write a letter every day. Past tense. I wrote a letter yesterday. I wrote a letter yesterday. Right? Wrote. Present tense. She sleeps early every week. She sleeps early every week. Past. She slept early last week. She slept early last week. Present. She fixes the car every week. She fixes the car every week. Past. She fixed the car last week. She fixed the car last week. So fix, fixed. Present tense. She watches a movie every week. She watches a movie every week. Past. She watched a movie last week. She watched a movie last week. Present. She reads a magazine every week. She reads a magazine every week. Past. She read a magazine last week. She read a magazine last week. Present. She buys cake every week. She buys cake every week. Past. She bought cake last week. She bought cake last week. So buy, bought. Now next is present tense. I open the door every day. I open the door every day. Past. I opened the door yesterday. I opened the door yesterday. So open, opened. Present present tense. She works in an office every week. She works in an office every week. Past. She worked in an office last week. She worked in an office last week. Now next is present tense. I answer questions every day. I answer questions every day. I past. I answered question yesterday. I answered question yesterday. Questions yesterday. Now next is present tense. I deliver packages every day. I deliver packages every day. Past tense. I delivered packages yesterday. I delivered packages yesterday. So deliver, delivered. Next is present tense. She writes an email every week. She writes an email every week. Past tense. She wrote an email last week. She wrote an email last week. So next is present tense. She smells flower every week. She smells flower every week. Past tense. She smelled flowers last week. She smelled flower last week. Present tense. uh, Smells and past smelled. Present tense. She plays tennis every week. She plays tennis every week. Past tense. She played tennis last week. She played tennis last week. So plays, played. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you another one. Present tense. I watch TV every day. I watch TV every day. Past. I watched TV yesterday. I watched TV yesterday. So watch and past is watched. Now next is present tense. I change my plan every day. I change my plan every day. Past. I changed my plan yesterday. I changed my plan yesterday. So change and past is changed. Present tense. She drinks tea every week. She drinks tea every week. Past tense. She drank tea last week. She drank tea last week. So drink and drank. Present tense. I carry box every day. I carry a box every day. Past. I carried a box yesterday. I carried a box yesterday. So carry, present and past carried. Next is present. I feed the cat every day. I feed the cat every day. Past. I fed the cat yesterday. I fed the cat yesterday. Feed, fed. Okay. So next I'm going to tell you, you can do your English speaking practice like this. Present. I wait here every day. I wait here every day. Past. I waited here yesterday. I waited here yesterday. Present. I sleep well every day. I sleep well every day. Past. I slept well yesterday. I slept well yesterday. Present. I go to work every day. I go to work every day. Past. I went work yesterday. I went work yesterday. So friends, this was the short video. You can do your English speaking practice in this way also. If this video is helpful for you, make sure like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. So thank you for the watching and namaste to all of you.